Hello dear viewers, welcome to TV Math Hub. In our today's session, we want to look at Jinja Joint Mock, and we are looking at pure mathematics. We have so far looked at questions 1, 2, and 3, and in case you haven't seen any of our videos about questions 1, 2, and 3, please check within the playlist for Jinja Joint Mock, or else check our previous videos, so you'll be able to get the numbers 1, 2, and 3. So let us look at question number 4. So question number 4 says, find dy dx if y is given as this. So we need to find dy dx when we are given y, and y is a function of x. So we should be in position to get the dy dx. So let us look at the solution. We are given y as this. So since we already have y as that, we can take tan back, and we shall have this as tan of y, which is equal to 6x divided by 1 minus 2x squared. So from here we shall differentiate each of these terms here with respect to x. We shall differentiate this also with respect to x. So looking at the differentiation of this expression here, this is a quotient, so it means we shall need to use the quotient rule. So let us differentiate this. When you differentiate tan of y, you get sec squared y, but because you are differentiating a function of y with respect to x, we shall put dy dx, which is equal to v is 1 minus 2x squared, then du dx is same as differentiating 6x, and that is 6, minus u is 6x times dv dx, same as differentiating 1 minus 2x squared, which will give us negative 4x. So that is basically we shall have over v squared 1 minus 2x squared, and again this is squared. So we are borrowing this from the differentiation of u upon v with respect to x. Of course, this will be v du dx minus u dv dx, then divided by v squared. So v du dx minus u dv dx over v squared. So our v is this. This is our u, and this is our v. So you have this as v, you have this as du dx, you have this as u, you have this as dv dx. So looking at that, we can try to simplify this to be 6 minus 12x squared. This is plus 24 of x squared, but we are dividing this by 1 minus 2x squared, and the whole of this is again squared. So when you simplify this, you'll get 6 plus 12 x squared divided by 1 minus 2x squared, and the whole of this is still squared. Remember, we still have sec squared y dy dx. But what is our interest? Our interest is to remain with dy dx. So what will be dy dx? So dy dx will be 6 plus 12x squared divided by 1 minus 2x squared. Again, this is squared, then times 1 upon sec squared of y. But what is sec squared of y? Sec squared of y is same as 1 plus tan squared of y. And what is 1 plus tan squared of y? Tan squared, we already know that tan of y is this. So tan squared is 6x upon 1 minus 2x squared. So the whole of this is squared. So looking at that, looking at this, it means you will have 1 plus 6 squared, that is 36x squared, 36 of x squared, over 1 minus 2x squared. The whole of this is squared. So try to simplify this by getting LCM. So you have 1 minus 2x squared, the whole of this squared, then plus 36x squared, and the whole of this is divided by 1 minus 2x squared, and the whole of this is squared. So this is your sec squared of y. So we shall bring this x squared of y and substitute it in this given expression. So let us consider equation star, and we shall have from star, we shall have dy dx, which is equal to, so this is 6 plus 12x squared, 6 plus 12x squared divided by 1 minus 2x squared, the whole of this is squared, and we are multiplying by 1 upon sec squared of y. 1 upon sec squared of y, we have seen sec squared of y is this. So this is the expression we shall substitute there. So this will be same as, so times 1 upon 1 minus 2x squared, the whole of this squared. Then this we are adding there, 36x squared. And the whole of this is over 1 minus 2x squared. And the whole of this is squared still. So this will be same as 6 plus 12x squared. This and this will cancel out, so you will remain with divided by this one here. When you expand that, you'll get 1 minus 4x squared, then plus 4x to power 4, then plus 36x squared. So that is basically what we shall have. So from here we can simplify this further to give us 6 plus 12x squared divided by, this will be 1 plus this, and this will give us 32x squared. Then this is plus 4x to power 4. So that is basically what we shall have as dy dx. So dy dx is 6 plus 12x squared divided by 1 plus 32x squared plus 4x to power 4. So this will be the value for dy dx. So dy dx, so basically they wanted us to find dy dx, and that will be dy dx. Only that you can also simplify this further to have 6 into 1 plus 2x squared divided by 1 plus 32x squared plus 4x to power 4. And this will be dy dx. Yeah.